We have interesting updates and also something you need to know about the MetaMask airdrop. And this video is probably going to be a 2 to 3 minute video. I'm not going to waste your time. We jump straight to the laptop. And the first thing, as we said, MetaMask. Now, the linear claim window for the MetaMask reward has been closed. So if you didn't get it, it's on you. It's your fault and you lost on some free money. Now, there were 380 million tokens that were not claimed, which is getting burned. So, like, I think this is actually good for Linea in terms of the burning. Absolutely, yes. We can see it also over here. I do still have them. I have not sold them yet, but let me know as well. Have you sold them? Have you kept it? And in terms of the Linea token, as we see right here, 800 it's gone up a bit. 2% is not that much, but still I think it's gonna be for the long run, back to the next bull run in a year or so. I think it's gonna be good, so let me know your opinion down below. Next up, we also want to talk about what I want to talk about is that one high point on Hyperliquid is about $186 right now. Well, you know what's happening over on Hyperliquid? Hyperliquid is being built or is building Dreamcash. Dreamcash is the native Hyperliquid trading on mobile. So I will leave the link down below to go and join. It is a simple app that basically your wallet account that you have on Hyperliquid, it gets connected to Dreamcash, and then you simply dream HIP3 of Hyperliquid. You trade Hyperliquid, is built on Hyperliquid, as well as Dreamcash airdrop. So it's a 2-in-1 airdrop. And as we see here, it is going strong. It is currently at number 16. We do see some nice volume, growing up in the past month or so, which we see more over here. Of course, it's a little bit quiet in terms of trading, but we still see that we got perpetual volume and fees. But if we look at the perpetual volume, it's going up really nicely. We already hit 774 million in one day, and I really suggest you go and trade on it. It's an app. You download it, it connects to your Hyperliquid wallet, and you are good to go. Or you simply create a new wallet. That's completely up to you. But you're able to trade Hyperliquid perps, you're able to trade gold, silver, HIP3, all of the things that you want, and it's really, really good. Next up, we also have the Pudgy X Jupiter Mobile SBT. As we see here, you can go and claim it right now, and claim cost is about $1. You make sure to use it with the Jupiter mobile app. So the link that you will find in the description down below, I will leave it to you, and you go and open it with the Jupiter app, because I know you probably have it. And then over here, you simply click claim now, and then you will have it. Now, super easy airdrop, super few tasks to go and do it. Make sure to do it. Make sure to let me know in the comments whether you like these fast videos or not. And I will see you all in the next one. Ciao, guys.